A very good day, and today we're gonna talk about application of vector and scale in daily life. Okay, my name is Kavindran, and this is my teammates Dineshwaran, Jagadiswaran, and Tashan. As an introduction, scalar and vector quantities are used to describe the motion of an object. Scalar quantities are defined as the physical quantities that have magnitude or size only. For an example, distance, speed, mass, density, and etc. However, vector quantities are those physical quantities that have both magnitude and direction, like displacement, velocity, acceleration, force, mass. It should be noted that when a vector quantity changes, its magnitude and direction also changes similarly. When a scalar quantity changes, only its magnitude changes.
Today I am going to tell about application of vector in agriculture. First of all, rotavator. Rotavator is an agricultural machine used to turn over the soil before the planting process. The rotating blades of the machine give impact on soil surface and throw soil upward because of its rotational speed and pulverizes soil by breaking clods. And there is another application, that is sprinkler. This technology used to water plants. This technology applies vector to its working principle in the form of pressure. This pressure is used to spray water from the water source towards the field.
Okay, area of parallelogram. The area of parallelogram is defined as the region or space covered by a parallelogram in a two-dimensional plane. It is calculated by multiplying the base of the parallelogram by its height. For example, area is equals to base times height. A parallelogram is a special kind of quadrilateral. If a quadrilateral has two pairs of parallel opposite sides, then it is called a parallelogram. Finding the area of parallelograms has very important applications in real life, such as agriculture, construction, and physics, and extra. Okay, thank you.
So the question is, the vector diagram shows two forces acting on a ball bearing. What is the resultant force? So whenever it's come for resultant force, basically we also can use vector and scalar. So they give 20 newtons and 15 newtons, and also they giving 45 degrees. So first of all we need to create triangle. So 20 Newton, 15 Newton, the angle between 20 Newton and 15 Newton is 45 degrees, and also there is another line that's called F, and then they have a theta over there. So we need to find out the theta over there. So first of all we need to use for the triangle method, that is a square equals to b square plus c square minus 2 bc cos a. So whenever we county everything, we got our f square equals to 14.17. So by using the sine rule, that is sine a over a equals to sine b over b, we need to ganti sine theta equals to sine 45 sine theta over 15 equals to sine 45 over 14.17. So sine theta equals to 0.7485, and whenever we calculate, so we get sine equals to 48.46 degrees. So the resultant force F has length 14.17 Newton and direction 48.46 degrees relative to the horizontal. That's all.
The area of a parallelogram is the amount of space inside a parallelogram. It is a measure in units squared. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral four-sided shape with two pairs of parallel sides. The parallel sides are the same length and and the opposite angles are equal. The interior angles of the parallelogram add up to 360 degrees. The area of a parallelogram is calculated by multiplying the base of a parallelogram by its perpendicular height. We can calculate a parallelogram by base times by perpendicular height of the parallelogram. So the parallelogram is more important in this agriculture field. Area of a parallelogram formula. So area parallelogram equal to base times by perpendicular height. In mathematics, we can call as b times by h. In this agriculture field, we, we use this parallelogram method for calculating the length of the fields and also grounds to for the farmers to start their villaging for their plantation for their culture, so that parallelogram is important, playing a more important role in this agriculture field. Finally, the conclusion. Understanding the properties of parallelogram helps to easily relate its angles and sides. Also, the properties are helpful for calculations in problems relating to its sides and angles of a parallelogram. By the way, this slide will help you more in this agriculture field, so that we all thankful to you, and also thanks having a great day. Thank you.